gonna show you how this wonky binding goes on. I would just stitch this right here and stitch about 1/8 of an inch down to about there. And then this corner will end up being just like the others. I'll sew up to 1/4 inch and then I will fold it back so that it is going to go even with this and then back over. Okay. Now this is the part where you think, oh, this is so tricky, so hard. When I get to this corner, I'm going to pivot my quilt and I'm just gonna take it like this under the needle, pull that, and try and sew a straight line across here. This is kind of what I have, kind of this going on. So let's look at it. And so this would be a mitered corner on this top. So this corner goes like this. Up here, this one flips over like that. Now what do I do there? So I just kind of tuck it there and then we'll keep sewing it that way.